So my name is Gabriel Rivest, and in 2020, I started a research to look at how small mammals respond to large forest fires, and more specifically to the severity of the fires. So my research site is in the Pig Creek Fire, which is a large fire that happened in 2019 along the Stewart River in central Yukon. What excites me about this research is that, first of all, it's never really been done, especially in the Yukon. And also, there's a really good possibility of continuing it in the long term, which was really important for me. And we're hoping to do that with the field courses that I help manage with the University of Alberta through the environmental science program that we run up here in the Yukon. During the 2021 summer, myself and my assistants, we did two main field trips out there to study the burn and the small mammals. And so the first trip was in June, where we did all the vegetation work in all 12 grids, as well as trapping in all 12 grids. And then we went back in August for a shorter stint to do only trapping. And the main reason behind that was simply that we knew that there were going to be a lot more small mammals. And so we put all our efforts into the trapping at that stage. The scholarship meant a lot to me. My research is in a remote section of central Yukon that is not easily accessible. So not only it helped me with hiring staff to be able to help me in the field, but also helped a lot with gas and food, which was crucial for this study in 2021. Therefore, I would really like to thank the Garfield Weston Foundation for their support.